Look at our warm-up. How many solutions? There's three questions here. How many solutions does the inequality x is greater than 12 have? So we've been talking about this a lot. Obviously, 13 is greater than 12, 14 is greater than 12, 15. I mean, 14.5 is greater than 12. So how many different numbers could I write that are greater than 12? The answer is infinite. So explain. So the explain part there is I can give multiple examples, but for any number that you give me, I can then add another place value or decimal to that. I can continue to make one other number just a little bit bigger. So this would go on forever. Question 5. How do the graphs of the solutions of inequalities involving greater than symbol and greater than or equal to symbol compare? So compare and contrast, what's similar about them, what's different about them. So I'm going to kind of write similar and different. Well, both of them, what's similar is both greater than and greater than or equal to is they're both greater. And what that means is when I'm working on a number line, whatever the number may be, that tells me I'm going to shade to the right to include all numbers greater than. So the similarity is we shade to the right. Okay? So what's different about them? If I have this inequality, so I have an open dot, right? I do not include the answer. So if we're trying to do greater than 10, then that value at 10, I would have an open dot. So it could not equal 10. It can get as close to 10 as possible. So we could have like 10.000001. That's still greater than 10, but it's not 10, right? And what makes it different to have the greater than or equal to symbol is the fact that it's a closed dot. And if it's closed dot, that means that the number could actually equal 10. It could be 10 and anything greater than 10. Okay? So that's a quick list of the similarities and differences. This one here in question 11, substitute each given value of the variable to find which, if any, is a solution of the inequality. So we're going to plug like 4 in. So you're going to put 4 in there and say, is 4 greater than or equal to 8? Nope, that one fails. Then you could plug a 5 in there. So we'll take the 5 and we'll put it in for y. Is 5 greater than or equal to 8? No. Is 6, turn that into a 6. Is 6 greater than or equal to 8? No. What about 7? No. So are any of these solutions? To be a solution, we need to make the answer true. So if they had eventually asked me to plug in 10, then I could say 10 is greater than or equal to 8. And this one, I put a check or yes, it is true. But all the rest of these are not greater than 8. Okay? But we'd have to plug each one in and test them to know.